ஹலோ வியூவர்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல் வானம்பாடி. நம்ம சேனலுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். வாங்க இன்றைக்கி கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஃபார் பேங்க் எக்ஸாமில் என்ன இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். அப்ரிவேஷன்ஸ். FIEO Federation of Indian Export Organizations. ICEA India Cellular and Electronics Association. CBIC Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs. NCPCR National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. FIEO Federation of Indian Export Organizations. IWLF Indian Weight Lifting Federation. Persons. Nagaland Chief Minister, its nephew Roy. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi. Solicitor General of India Tushar Mehta. President of FIEO S.K. Saraf. President of ICEA Pankaj Mohindro. Revenue Secretary of India Ajay Bhushan Pandey. CBIC Chairman M. Ajit Kumar. Human Resource Development Secretary Amit Khare. Chinese Ambassador to India Sun Weidong. Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Puri. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. President of FIEO S.K. Saraf. IWLF Secretary Sahadev Yadav. Environment Minister of Germany Venja Schulze. National. CBI has instituted a preliminary inquiry into the land grab charge against RB Educational Trust, allegedly run by former Jammu and Kashmir Minister Chaudhry Lal Singh. In space, a new entity of the Department of Space will have its own chairperson and board, and regulate, promote building of routine satellites, rockets, and commercial launch services through Indian industry and startups. It will function autonomously and parallel to ISRO. Union Minister Harshvardhan launched the e-blood service mobile application of the Indian Red Cross Society. Through this app, 4 units of blood can be requisitioned at a time, and the blood bank will wait for 12 hours for the person to collect it. The application was developed by the E-Raktosh team of the Center for Development of Advanced Computing under Digital India scheme. CBI filed a charge sheet against Yes Bank co-founder Rana Kapoor in connection with 3,700 crore in loans extended to DHFL, allegedly against 600 crore investment in a firm linked to his family members. Cycles for Change Challenge, an initiative of the Smart Cities Mission to support cities to quickly implement cycling-friendly initiatives. IIT Madras collaborating with their counterparts in Germany to develop new materials for green energy solutions. The project taken up under SPARK Scheme for Promotion of Academic and Research Collaboration. SPARK aims at developing alternative technologies to produce green hydrogen in anticipation of transition to hydrogen-based economy. International. Japan has scrapped the deployment of multi-billion-dollar US anti-missile system. Germany bans single-use plastic products by July 3, 2021 was a part of an effort to move away from a throwaway culture. Economy. Tamil Nadu has raised 5,500 crore or nearly 24% of its 23,000 crore total market borrowings so far this financial year 2021 through the issue of bonds with 30-year tenures of long-term bonds. This is termed as state development loans. Google will offer to pay for access for users to read paywalled articles on a publisher's site. SEBI has relaxed the preferential allotment pricing norms for companies while tightening the insider trading regulations as a part of its attempts to minimize instances of unpublished price sensitive information getting leaked. State owned Power Finance Corporation has sanctioned loans worth more than 1 lakh crore. Sundaram Fasteners Powertrain Components Division was named the GM Supplier of the Year by General Motors. Apollo Tyres Limited commissioned the first phase of its Greenfield project located in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. Sports. Saina Nehwal has recommended Aparna Balan for the Arjuna Award. Following an order of the Delhi High Court, the Sports Ministry withdrew the annual recognition of 54th National Sports Federations. Indian Weightlifting Federation said that K. Sanchita Chanu, who was recently exonerated of doping charges, will receive the Arjuna Award for 2018. Death. Film editor G. Jayachandran died. Thank you.